guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and we have something very exciting for you today. We have a brand new I Want It All bundle. Pink Halloween. I'm going to share these cards and projects with you after I share the bundle, so stick around. I can't wait to share it with you. In your Pink Halloween I Want It All bundle, you'll get this cute glittery sticker that says brew up fun with Not Too Shabby here at the bottom, and it's really cute. Use it to decorate something. You can add it to your printer or your brother's scanning cut, your laptop, wherever you like to add stickers. This will also be a really cute center for some rosettes. We've got some really pretty sparkling enamel dots that coordinate with the collection, and this is called Cutesy Halloween. We've got two collections in this bundle. We've got the pink and black Halloween, and then the ephemera is called Pink and Black Halloween as well. You'll find extra packs of ephemera and enamel dots on the website. So really cute. I'm going to go through that. The paper is really cute. I'm going to show you both of these in detail, but let's take a look at the other collection. This one is called Halloween Coffee, and it's really cute. We've got some pinks, some orange, grays, super fun. So we've got enamel dots that are going to match each collection. So let's open up the paper for Pink and Black Halloween. I'm going to share some cards after I share the products. So we've got a fun sheet, black and white, with cute little icons. There's a bat, a pumpkin, a web, some candy, some stars. And then on the other side, we've got some black and white moons with bats and a little cat silhouette. Since this is black and white, you can probably foil over this and create some really cool designs. And then we've got some potion bottles. Really cute. Let me bring it up closer. And then on the back, we've got a cute design. Little ghost peeking around a little gravestone. Some bats. We've got that black and white print on pink. And then we've got a little witch in front of a moon and her cauldron. We've got black and white stars. We've got white stars on a black background. And then on the other side, we've got the moon. We've got a tree in front of the moon. For this one, we've got a witch flying her broom with a little cat on the back of the broom. And then this one has the black and pink featuring the web. And then we've got the pink background with the white stars. And then on the back, we've got a cute little ghost with the word boo. I'm going to play some music while I lay out all the images for you. Before I lay out all the images, let me bring some really cute ones up close so you can see how cute these images are. So fun, right? Ooh, look at this scary haunted house. Cute little pumpkins and the little girls trick-or-treating. So cute. It's another cute cat. All right, let me lay out everything. Okay, so I laid it all out for you. Aren't they cute? So adorable. They're gonna make some really cute Halloween projects. If you've been collecting our coffee collections, we have the Celebrate with Coffee. We've got the Lattes of Love. Now we have the Halloween coffee, which is so cute and fun. So the gray and pink is so cute. We have a darker gray background with some gold stars. And then a tone-on-tone pumpkin in gray. And then this fun pink background with the latte cup and the web and the witch's hat. This is a really cute, it's like an orangey yellow color with the pink and the frappuccinos. There's a little black balloon. And then this creamy color with gold stars. This is a really pretty glitter, faux glitter. It's like a purpley gray color. Really cute. And then we have a gray background with the latte cup and the witch's hat. And then we've got the stars. They're in a pink glitter and on a white background. And then on the other side, we have a white background with your little cluster of a cupcake, some candy, a little pumpkin, a frappuccino, and then there's a little cat. You see little flowers in the background. And then we've got that orangey yellow color with our coffees and a little bat. And then a tone-on-tone pink with the pumpkin heads. So really fun. I love it. Let's take a look at the coordinating ephemera. You can grab this bundle at Not Too Shabby at nottoshabbyshop.com. You do get a bundle discount. Shop quickly. Our bundles do sell quickly often. I don't want you to miss this cute bundle. We've got a frappuccino. I love the little sleeve with the spiders. And then we've got that little pumpkin head. And the cat in here is so adorable. So we've got two facing each other that you can add together on a card. And then the little scenes are just so cute. There's balloons in here. And then some hearts. And then the candy corn in two different colors. These are going to be great. Use them just like enamel dots and sprinkle them around the card. Use them as fillers. Use them as shaker card pieces. As well as these cute little leaves. So those make great embellishments as well. Little cupcakes. Okay, there are all the cute little pieces that come in your ephemera kit. Okay, so here is the first card. I did 2 sets of mini slimline cards, and I love how they turned out. This is my favorite mini slimline layout. It's so easy and you don't waste any cardstock. Isn't that skeleton lady fabulous? And then check out these cute little girls. So the ephemeras are really, really cute, as you saw. And then for the stamps on my cards, I did use sentiments from our previous release. You can find these two in the shop. We have Boo Sentiments and Best Witches, and I think these are great for Halloween. This one's got a lot of sentiments. There's different sizes in here, so you'll have something for any size card that you're doing. I used Best Witches, I used Witching You a Happy Halloween, I used Happy Boo from Me to You. So, and a lot of these would work really great on the inside of your card. Plus the images are really, really cute. I did use the enamel dots on all of these projects. I do have some paper left from the bundles of this paper here. This is the pink and black Halloween paper pad. I do have this one listed individually. The other one, the Halloween coffee one, that one is only included in the bundle. And I do have extra ephemera from both collections and enamel dots listed individually. This was a really super fun one because I did an action wobbler on this ghost. I just had to. This is just so perfect for action wobbler. I added a little glossy accents to the eyes, and then I have the Happy Boo from Me to You down there in the corner. I made a cute rosette. I have a little, this is just a little paper clip on there. Really, really super fun. And just added a cute little piece of ephemera over a doodlebug doily. And then I did a rosette on the front of this bag here. So I have a Halloween cupcake. I added some glossy accents on that cute little candy corn. And then the back has little stars on it. And this is from the Halloween coffee paper pad. And then this one here is the Halloween coffee collection. We have a cute piece of ephemera with a spooky latte, little pumpkins coming out of there, and then the background matches. And then we have little gray pumpkins, and then I used the Witching You a Happy Halloween sentiment. So it turned out really, really cute. And I want to do something really cute with the sticker that you get in the bundle. So this is only available in the bundle. So super fun, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this bundle, and I'd love to see what you make. Please hashtag me with hashtag #NotTooShabbyShop so I could find your creations. Thanks for supporting the shop. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.